It's a double blow for farmers this evening as they continue to rack up losses due to heavy rains this weekend. The president of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, gave the update during Radio Jamaica's weekly review program That's a Wrap. Karen Simpson reports.
JAS President Lenworth Fulton says farmers who suffered heavy losses last month have again been hit by heavy rains since Saturday night. Vegetables, melons and other crops are now at risk due to losses faced by farmers in St. Elizabeth. Irish potato farmers have suffered the most.
The Guysville belt, we call it, which covers the parish of St. Catherine, St. Mary and St. Anne, in that point where the three parishes meet, and down to areas like Claremont, Brittonville, Bamboo, going out into districts like Forest and so on, which are big Irish potato area. If you plant the Irish potato too late, say after the second week of January, you have like a 80% chance of meeting the drought that would damage your crop. So we are on the horn of a dilemma. And then people who have put back in vegetable recently, those would be also underwater. So we are in really serious problem. We are hoping to return to growth in the agricultural sector in the first quarter of 2024. But with this rain here, coupled with the one that has just gone, it seems very ominous now that we will rack up another quarter of loss.
In the meantime, Mr. Fulton is insisting that the losses suffered by farmers during heavy rains last month exceed the more than $300 million announced by the Agriculture Ministry.
Well, the ministry published at $350 million, but that is for the damage done to crops. That does not include future values that the farmer would have lost and their loans that they have to repay. So we at the JS put it at an $800 million loss.
With the Christmas season in full swing, he is also urging farmers not to engage in price gouging, as it could trigger higher inflation, which could lead to problems for both consumers and farmers.
The supply and demand will always push the price up, and like any other commodity, when it is scarce, they push the price up, and that is impacted by extra demand for the product in Christmas. More money is around. So the big losers are the consumers. I don't want our farmers to make money. We do not want them to make money on the back of inflated product, because that inflation will run right through the economy, right through the next half of next year, and inflate the other prices. And as you know, we are not doing well with inflation. Up to November, the Bank of Jamaica said we are 6.1%.
Karen Simpson for TVJ News.